Uncle, what are you making?
Hey kid, I am making a candy of a new flavor.
Uncle, please make a candy for me too, but I don't have money.
No problem, kid. I will make a candy for you, but it will take some time.
No problem. I will wait. I have never eaten such a candy in my life because I am from a poor family. I don't have money to eat this candy. It seems today my dream will be fulfilled today. It will be fun.
No problem, kid. I will fulfill your dream. I am also from a poor family. That's why people don't support me. If you will tell people to like and subscribe my video, then I will feed you a candy every day, okay?
Yes, Uncle, all of them will definitely like and subscribe your video and will send red heart in the comment.
Look, your candy is ready.
Thank you. Uncle, the candy is very good.